I got you. I got you. All right. Y'all, let's go ahead and get into this read. I feel as if this message may be a little deep. Heavy on the portals, right? There's a portal that's open, okay? I'm hearing near your house. We have the King of Wands popping out. What's happening? We have the Ten of Pentacles here. Heavy on the groundwork, okay? A lot of construction right there near your home. They're digging. Heavy on too deep. It's giving vibes like people are having to move. People are being relocated. I'm hearing take advantage of this opportunity. Don't be afraid, okay? You have everything that you need. You have the funding. Have confidence, baby. This King of Wands. I'm hearing bingo. Someone's winning. There's a masculine here. Winning big. Off some numbers. 9, 4, 10. Okay, 9, 4, 10. 7, 11. 285. 285. That's what I'm hearing. 285. 285. 39837. 39837. And 42. 42. Heavy on 42, baby. There's something significant about the number 8. Heavy on infinity. Someone's winning back to back to back to back to back. There's something significant about an investment. Something's up right now. I'm hearing lay off the Dutch. I don't know what that means. I don't know what that means. I don't know. Look, I'm just channeling, right? Woo, yeah. I have to go do my research, baby. But someone's winning. But someone may want to invest in you. It's coming off like that. Someone's wanting to spoil you. Someone's lucky. It's giving vibes like you may be this person's good luck charm. It's giving those type of vibes. So yeah, it makes sense. Especially if this is the divine masculine and feminine coming together. Yeah, it makes sense. So you're just sitting pretty creating. Receiving information. Right? That's what it's giving. Right? Like, yeah, baby. Move like this. Do it like this. It's giving vibes like, look how much I made. Right? It's giving. I can't stop. I can't stop. Oh, man, I'm getting hot. Woo. Heavy on, this is a lot of money. But so when you hit, just send me 10 bands. Like, it won't hurt. You understand me? It won't hurt. It won't hurt at all, baby. Yeah, that's all I need. Yeah, I can multiply that. Ooh, heavy on the Ten of Pentacles. Yeah. I'm telling you, someone took a risk. Someone took a risk. And it's paying off. I'm hearing it. Double the money. Double the money. Double the money. Someone may be into poker. There's something significant about the cards. Heavy on the haul. That's what I'm hearing. This is a new haul. Okay? Someone's not familiar with this team. Okay? I don't I don't I don't know how this shit works. Like, y'all have teams. Baby, teach me. Right? But I'm not really into gambling though. It's crazy. I be receiving numbers, and I can go get a ticket right now and hit. Lie. But yeah. I don't know what it is. I feel like there's something significant about poker. There's a twist. I don't know. There's a twist. Like, y'all are really not professional. That's what it's giving me. Someone's used to playing professional poker, right? You may get a feeling. You might get a feeling like, nah, baby, not tonight. Right? It's giving those type of vibes. You may see this. Knowing your man headed somewhere. Baby, not tonight. Not tonight. Something's rigged. Every 3 games. That's what I'm hearing. Every 3 games. Yeah, we got big money on the table. Y'all playing. Y'all playing. Nah. This can go left real quick. Nah. Heavy on say you man, baby. Nah. Heavy on tell him to stay off the boat with this mermaid. That's what it's giving me. That's what it's giving me. Like, nah. We not on the boat this weekend. Yeah, because something's changing. It's giving vibes like we have... It's giving vibes like we have new teams. I don't know. Like, there's a sheet. Like, y'all take this sheet very seriously. Baby! I see. You got big money on the table. I see. Baby. Betsy, yeah, something's a little... Perfect example. Something's ghetto and something's classy. That's what it's giving me. Yeah, we have the Resolute here. Like, baby, you might just have a problem. Yeah. It's giving vibes like you can't miss this game. Betsy, yeah. I normally don't run with these guys. That's what it's giving me. You better. You better find you something else to get into. This may be a habit, real bad habit. Now, at first, it came off like someone may have had a little control of it. But now it's giving vibes like, yeah, because I feel like, listen, something's not right. Something feels off, but someone's still going. And then they turn around and get mad because they done lost. I'm telling you, this some big money. Baby, don't do it. Don't do it. Stay your ass off the boat. That's what it's giving me. Stay your ass off the boat. The higher self. We have the detective. Yeah, some shit. I'm telling you, don't do it. We have the critic. It's giving vibes like something may be in the news. Don't do it. Don't do it. Yeah, because y'all playing with some big money. Some motherfuckers already got it in their mind. Yeah. So if I lose, I lose. But if you over here cheating me, that's a whole different ball game. You get what I'm saying? Like, that's a whole different ball game. And this person may not even be the one. Yeah, heavy on the table, all right? I hope I'm explaining this right. That's what I'm hearing, though. Yeah, on the table. We have the Page of Cups here. And baby. Yeah, the waitress. The bottle girls. Betsy, something's a little... Like, why y'all over here? You... Like, you a professional athlete, but you out here playing street ball. That's what it's giving. Like, baby, that's how you get hurt. That's how you get hurt. Yeah, you used to an organized game. You understand me? I can hear it. Yeah. Like, what you doing slumming down here with us? Why you not in one of your fancy gyms? That's what it's giving. Like, yeah. You out here on the asphalt. It's giving vibes. Yeah. I hear it. Buddy think he better than us. It's coming off like basketball, though. Yeah, someone did some calling around. There's something significant about this list. Sounds like a lick to me. That's what it's giving me. We had a 6 of Pentacles here. Hey, baby, it sounds like a lick to me. Baby, yeah. We got some big spenders in the house tonight. Bat said this is a little... I don't know how this shit go. Like, I would think you would have pretty women around, but this is a little... It's giving strip club vibes. And I feel as if that's not what you're used to. Back to, I don't know. I feel like it's more classy, more professional. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's rules, like, very technical. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Like, nah. Y'all make me want to learn poker. Baby. Because, woo. Like, it's a mind game. It's coming off like that. It's coming off like that. Because the way, yeah, certain ones, it's like I hear the whispering. Because there's something significant about the drinks. So, yeah. Heavy on every 3 games. There's too much going on. I just feel as if this is not someone's scenery. Like, something may be illegal as well. Back to, but we on the boat, right? We on the boat. Yeah, okay. Someone may be underage. Like, how you get in? Who you here with? What you here for? You get what I'm saying? Back to, yeah, I'm on the phone. I'm calling. Hey, tell your man to stay home. We ain't got... Baby, nah. Like, yeah, stay home and teach me. It's giving those type of vibes. Like, stay home and teach me. If you just have to play, right? Play me. Yeah, put your money up. It's giving those type of vibes. Like, let's make it sexy. Yeah, we had the... We had the full car here popping out. We had the Page of Pentacles. Yeah. I feel as if this may not be what someone's wanting to hear. Because someone may be excited for this weekend. It's giving those type of vibes. Or it's giving vibes like something may happen during the week. Yeah. Something may happen during the week. And someone has this itch. It's giving those type of vibes. Like, I need to play, right? Someone back to an investment. Something paid off. My leg over here shaking, boy. Something done paid off, right? I got a little extra money. My hand over here, baby. Yeah, I got a little extra money. Uh-huh. It's time to play. Better, yeah, it's too much money on the table for me, for y'all to be cheating. Like, if I lose, right? If I lose, but hey, give me a fair chance, right? Give me a fair chance. Nah, because now I'm finna have to beat your ass. I ask questions later. I get the facts later. But yeah, I'm about to beat your ass. Got me out here on this water, playing with my money. And I can't go walk off and get some fresh air. Boy, you got to get fucked up. I'm finna beat your ass. I feel like that's why the detective is being called. Because, listen, it's giving vibes like, hey, you have two, back to teams, right? You have two teams. Because something's rigged. Because we got big spenders in the house tonight. You feel me? Like, what's your poison? That's it, yeah. I'm a bottle girl. You can have fun with me. Fuck this game. Ooh, baby. I'm all in your ear. I'm rubbing on you. I'm talking to you. I'm asking you to buy me another drink. I have you distracted. You don't even see them playing around with them cars. You feel me? I'm over here telling you I'm about to make your dreams come true, Daddy. You feel me? Yeah. You don't even see them over there taking money out of the pot. Right? You don't see them. Yeah. You don't see them over there breaking the rules, but don't worry about them. You feel me? Because tonight it's about me and you. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Tell your man to stay home. That's what it's giving me. Or if you are the masculine, stay your ass home. Stay your ass home. Look, you can go have fun elsewhere. Right? We ain't got to put this much money on the table. Then go have some fun. Nah, baby. He's giving those type of vibes. Like, nah. We might save some money this weekend. Or we turn around and wait for the real game. That's what it's giving me. We wait for the real game and make double.
Wait. Oh, shit.